Hi everyone! In this video we'll learn how to add checkboxes in Excel, perfect for to-do lists, attendance sheets, or anything that needs a quick yes or no option. First, we need to enable the Developer tab, because that's where the checkbox lives. If you don't see it already, don't worry, here's how to add it. Right-click anywhere on the toolbar, click Customize the ribbon, then tick the box next to Developer and click OK. Boom! The Developer tab will now appear on your ribbon. Next, go to the Developer tab, click Insert, and under Form Controls, you'll see the checkbox option. Click on it. Your cursor will turn into a little plus sign. Now click where you want the checkbox to appear in your sheet. You'll notice it comes with some text like Checkbox 1. You can rename it, or if you prefer a cleaner look, just right-click on the text and delete it, leaving only the box. Now, if the checkbox looks a little too big or too small, you can resize it, just drag its edges to adjust. And here's a quick tip. To copy the checkbox to other cells, simply hover over the bottom right corner of the cell, where you see a small plus sign, then click and drag down. Excel will automatically create duplicates for each row. Super handy for lists. If you ever want to remove a checkbox, just right-click on it and select Cut or press the Delete key on your keyboard. And that's it. You've successfully added checkboxes to your Excel sheet. Now you can make your to-do lists, mark completed tasks, or create interactive forms easily.